Hey there, sales champions. Today, I'm diving into one of the most game-changing books for anyone in sales. To Sell is Human by Daniel H. Pink. This book totally redefines what it means to sell. Forget the old-school, pushy sales tactics. Pink tells us that sales today is all about helping others. Yeah, you heard that right. Your job is to serve, not to sell. The first big takeaway: focus on listening and understanding needs. Think about it, the best salespeople are the best listeners. They ask insightful questions and really tune into what the customer is saying. When you understand someone's needs, you can tailor your solutions just for them. Here's your first action step. Build trust with your customers by asking thoughtful questions. Take the time to genuinely understand their pain points and desires. This isn't just about making a sale, it's about building a relationship. When customers feel valued and understood, they're more likely to stick with you. Next, Pink emphasizes that selling is moving others. To move people, you need to offer genuine solutions that meet their needs. This means being authentic and transparent. No one likes being sold to, but everyone appreciates being helped. So here's your second action step. Offer genuine solutions. Don't push products or services just to make a quick buck. Think about how what you're offering can truly benefit your customer. When you approach sales with a mindset of service, you create long-lasting, loyal relationships. Remember, sales is human. It's about connections, trust, and providing real value. By listening, understanding, and offering genuine solutions, you're not just closing deals, you're making a difference in people's lives. So get out there and make it happen. Take Daniel Pink's insights to heart and transform the way you sell. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more sales tips and inspiration. Catch you next time.